बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अभी हम शुरू करते हैं कंप्यूटर साइंस क्लास 6 पंजाब करिकुलम एंड टेक्स्ट बुक बोर्ड लाहौर यूनिट 2 कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम। एक्सरसाइज टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन इनपुट डिवाइस? आंसर इज स्पीकर। क्वेश्चन 2, इन लाइट पेन द सेंसिंग एलिमेंट इज कॉल्ड photocell. Input device which is used to transfer hard copy into a computer is called scanner. The device that is used to input sound in the computer is known as microphone. OCR stands for optical character reading. Which are the following are types of sensors? These all are sensors. Devices that are used to display the result of processing are called output devices. Which are the following are type of monitor? LCD, TFT, SMD, all. Which of the following are not part of CPU? PU. All mathematical operations in computer are performed by arithmetic unit. नेक्स्ट है शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर करने हैं आपको। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट आर द इनपुट डिवाइसेस Enlist NE4? आंसर इज अ कंप्यूटर वर्क्स according to the command instruction given to it. These commands can be given using devices that are called input devices. Four input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick and scanner. Question 2, write a short note on keyboard. Answer is keyboard is the most common and very popular input device. It helps to input data into the computer. The layout of the keyboard is like that of a traditional typewriter, although there are some additional keys provided for additional functions. Keyboards are of two sizes, 84 keys or 101 or 102 keys. But now keyboards with 104 keys or 108 keys are also available. Question number 3, differentiate between mouse and joystick. Answer is mouse is the most popular pointing device. It has three buttons called the left, right and scroll buttons. A mouse can be used to control the position of the cursor on the screen. Joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device. It is a stick having a spherical ball at both its lower and upper end. The lower spherical ball moves in a socket. The joystick can be moved in all four directions. It is mainly used in playing games. Question number 4, how does the light pen work? Answer is light pen consists of a photocell and an optical system placed in a small tube. When the tip of a light pen is moved over the monitor screen and the pen button is pressed, its photocell sensing element detects the screen location and sends the corresponding signals to the CPU. Question number 5, write a note on monitor. Enlist stripes. Answer is a monitor is an output device. It displays images, text, video and graphic information generated by a connected system unit. It is like a TV, but its resolution is higher than a TV. The first computer monitor was introduced in 1973. There are three kinds of monitors: cathode ray tube CRT, flat panel display, SMD LED screen. Question number 6, differentiate between flat panel and SMD monitors. Answer is a flat panel display devices use a thin panel design. These screens are much lighter and thinner and can be much more portable than traditional television and monitors. They have high resolution. The term SMD stands for surface mounted device. It refers to the mounting method used in manufacturing electronic devices such as LEDs. Assemblies are mounted on printed circuit board using automated equipment. Question number 7. Differentiate between primary memory and secondary storage. Answer is primary memory is also known as main memory. Processor directly access the primary memory using data bus. It has limited capacity and it is expensive. Examples of primary memory are RAM and ROM. We need some devices to store the data permanently in computer. So we use some external storage devices for this purpose, which we name as the secondary storage. It has larger storage capacity as compared to primary memory. Examples of secondary storage are hard disk, SSD, and USB drive, etc. Question number 8. Differentiate between RAM and ROM. Answer is RAM stands for random access memory. It's called random because processors can or store data randomly at any physical location. It is a volatile or temporary storage memory because data stored in RAM is lost when power is lost. जब पावर चली जाएगी, लाइट चली जाएगी, तो जितना भी डाटा रैम के अंदर स्टोर होगा वो सारा वॉश हो जाएगा. On the other hand, ROM stands for read only memory. It is a long term internal memory. ROM is non-volatile memory because data stored in ROM retains even if power is lost. It holds the instruction for booting up the computer. RAM में जो डाटा होता है पावर जाती है तो लॉस हो जाता है, जबकि ROM में डाटा होता है वो लॉस नहीं होता. Question number 9. How SSD is better from HDD? Answer is SSD is new generation of storage devices. SSD use flash-based memory, which is much faster than traditional hard disk. SSD has increased the speed of computer system because it can access data rapidly as compared to magnetic plates. It is more durable, less noise, and low power consumption than hard disk drive. Question number 10. Write the function of control unit in computer system. इसका जवाब है Control unit CU manage the entire functioning of the computer system. It is one of the most essential components of the computer system. Control unit collects the data entered using the input unit, leaves it on for processing, and once that is done, the output is presented to the user. आगे है answer of the following question in detail. What is scanner? Why do we use it? Answer is scanner is an input device which works like a photocopy machine. It is used when some information is available on paper and it is to be transferred in the computer for further manipulation. Scanner captures images from the paper and converts them into digital form that can be stored in computer. And question number 2. How does a barcode reader work? इसका जवाब है Barcode reader is an input device used for reading barcoded data. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling goods, etc. Barcode reader scans the barcode image, converts it into a alphanumeric value, and sends this value to the computer. We can see barcode readers in shopping malls these days. Question number 3. What are sensors? Where do we use them? इसका जवाब है Sensors are input devices that record data about the physical environment around them. Sensors send data to a computer. They do not make judgments, decisions, or control any output device. These are different sensors available, each designated, designed to measure different physical properties. Some of these are magnetic field sensor, motion detector sensor, and sound sensor. Question number 4. Write a note on CPU. Discuss working of its different parts. इसका जवाब है The central processing unit is the core of any computer system. It comprises of the three major components which are control unit, इस MCU भी कहते हैं. Control unit manages the entire function of the computer system. It is one of the most essential components of the computer system. Next है arithmetic and logic unit. All the mathematical operations are performed in the arithmetic and logic unit of the CPU. It can also perform actions like calculation, a comparison of data, and decision-making actions. Third one is memory unit. Memory is basically a device that has the capacity to store information. A memory unit refers a memory unit refers the amount of data that the memory can hold. Question number 5. Can a computer work without secondary storage device? Justify your answer. Answer is we need some devices to store the data permanently in computer. So we use some external storage devices for this purpose, which we name as the secondary storage. Secondary storage, for example, hard drive, SSD, USB drive, are the necessary to store large amount of data permanently, such as the operating system, applications, and user file. Without secondary storage, a computer would lose all its data when turned off, because primary storage RAM is volatile. Next time, question number 6. How does a computer work? Writes down steps needed to convert data information. Answer is computer is an electronic machine which processes the input data to produce the desired output and save data according to the given instruction. All the main parts of computer system are involved in these four operations. First one is input. Input is the data before processing. It comes from input devices such as mouse, keyboard, etc. Processing. In processing operation, input is transferred into output. CPU is responsible for this operation. Storage. The storage is how the computer saves input. Output. Output is the final result of the data processing. Write the function of following: ROM, RAM, ALU, CU, IDD, and SSD. Answer is ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. It is a long-term internal memory. It holds the instruction for booting of the computer. RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. It's called random because processor can store data randomly at any physical location. ALU. All the mathematical operations are performed in the arithmetic and logic unit of the CPU. Control unit CU manage the entire functioning of the computer system. Hard disk drive. Hard disk drive is a secondary storage device used to store data permanently. It retains data when computer is turned off. SSD is new generation of storage devices. SSD uses flash-based memory, which is much faster than traditional hard disk. उम्मीद है आपको यहाँ तक समझ आ गया होगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Thank you and please subscribe my channel.